Several options in depth, width and height dimensions are available. The board is a flat pack product, and can be assembled to different configurations. Here we're building a frame with the cable compartment on the right hand side. The cover is always on the front, which helps determining the cable compartment side, starting at the bottom with the installation of the plinths. First, the cover plate. The plinth has nipples that fit over the holes at the base. It doesn't matter which direction. Just screw it in any of the two directions. Thanks to the polka yokes, the frames cannot be incorrectly installed, therefore the direction is secured. Additional vertical supports can be fitted to divide the enclosure into two compartments, the smaller for the cables or the buzz bar. Tip: do not fasten the screws in the frame for easier installation. Put in the wing nuts at the profile position and the lines of the holes. Put the gasket in place first and pre-mount the screws. Now, from bottom to top, slide the profiles into place. Now, fasten all the screws. An easy combination of frames, side by side or back to back, is possible with our accessory. Add the ceiling flush on the edge. You can install the connectors wherever you like, avoiding collisions with foreclosures. Put in wing nuts on each side. Screw in the connector. The assembly can be created with improved ventilation, lower IP, or higher ingress protection, higher IP, by selecting the according covers from the catalog.